Backrooms got molested.
Hello everybody, this is Mag. We're joined by Curve in a game called 3008, where we try to survive in the backrooms. Where
This
you
is
at?
not the Backrooms. This is
Oh.
a SCP fan game.
Okay, well, you know what?
This is based off the SCP verse.
Well, I don't care because I said backrooms because it gets way more views. You know what I'm saying? Bringing in that cash. That
No,
sweet,
yeah, but that's not.
that sweet,
No one's
sweet
gonna
money.
know that unless they click on the video.
I'll
So that
I'll
wouldn't
put
equal
I'll
more.
put it in the tags. My uncle molested me in the back room. Nobody's saying.
What?
Oh yeah. I see you.
Oh!
You're over there in the distance. We're making my way over there. Oh, hello. Oh, you.
I don't want to talk about it.
You are.
Oh.
We gotta build something. We gotta build something.
Okay.
I think.
Well,
You know what?
what are we gonna build?
We're gonna build a house right here.
It's a tree. Tree.
That's a coat hanger.
Tree.
We gotta load up the beds.
Mac, I found your light. You own this light. Sphagnum dirt moss.
What the heck?
Oh. Yay!
Excuse me. Curve, I'm about
Stop. Wait. You gotta hear what that sounds like on my end.
Do I want to know?
You were going.
I'm sure it sounds worse.
It does. It sounded way too real. Were they real?
Yes!
That's horrible.
Give me the mattress side.
I hate Gibby.
Is he over here building our base?
I'm still thinking about Gibby and that one day he killed me through the next spot back room.
You gonna put a flashback of him up to the...
How are you? How are you doing that?
Because I'm like contracting the muscles over and over again in my throat and it's activating my gag reflex.
Oh god. I did on the first. Did you almost puke?
No, I don't do it to the point where I throw up. Oh! You see, this would have been avoidable.
Porn!
I think we're in the wrong game for that.
What's what in Japanese?
Oshitoshi oso wakaha.
That's like 8 different words in 8 different languages. Kill yourself.
How do you say what in Japanese?
What?
White is shiro.
I said what, not white. How do you say what in Japanese?
In Japanese, white is shiro.
No! How do you say what in Japanese?
In Japanese, white is shiro.
How do you
Say what, not what.
What? How do you say what in Japanese?
Like with a U, basically. What?
In Japanese, what is nan?
Oh, it's none. None.
Nunger.
None.
None.
Curve, we need a big plasma screen-inch TV watching a doohickey-majigger.
Got one coming up. Hey, there's a food stand.
Oh, yeah.
Mag, how much would I have to pay you to it?
Come again?
We're at Like your butt or something, man.
What?
This way. The one right there. Hang on, they're like facing this way. Yeah.
Oh, I see him over there.
Ah! Hey, Mag.
Yes.
You should have just started gagging.
Ooh, I got too close on that one. Uh-oh.
Actually.
Oh, I gotta push that. I gotta push everything in my chest cavity back down to my stomach. Hold on.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Oh. Oh. Get pushed, you beanbag. Oh. Ah! Kill yourself.
Okay. You see these kids in the server? I think I want to go find them. Harass
Where?
them, take.
Where?
Oh, there's children.
They're that way.
Oh.
Hey, go to your right. There's a children right there. There's a child.
Am I right?